Okay.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
YouTube, it's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you can see, I'm in a different environment. So in this video, I'll be giving you a tour of the Point
Ocean Point, yeah.
Ocean Point housing scheme, and I'll be viewing a unit. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video.
Like an idea of the property itself. Oh, okay. Alright, so this is it here? And here is the model unit.
Alright people, so look, comes with that. Also have yard space. I don't think the yard here could split between the house here and the house here, but it comes with a nice veranda. We can come in. Go on in, sir. One video. Alright. So upon entering this lovely home, you do have your entertainment area, which is your living room. A nice sizable living room that can hold whatever size settee you want to put in there, your center table and your TV, right? Then you move forward to your dining area, and afterwards you have the kitchen that will view afterwards. Just to note, you can fit any size dining table right here, but you don't have to put a dining table here. You can add whatever you want to add. You can add your little office area. If you do YouTube, you can use there for your little video area. And you know, it's a nice place to put whatever you want to put there. And now we'll be going to bedroom number 1. Now people, upon entering this lovely room, as you can see, I'm right there, but it's a cozy space. All right, it can fit a king size, queen size, double bed, whatever bed you want to put into this room. And in every home, storage is everything. Now this room comes with a built-in closet with sliding doors, right? You have an AC unit and a nice mat on the floor. Now inside this closet, it comes with shelves. It comes with space down the bottom and top shelves. It comes with a lot of space in there, so you can add whatever you want. You can put whatever you want in there. Both doors are accessible, right? We're just giving you a nice tour. You also have your drapes and blinds. In this room, you can also add your little nightstand with your night lamp, your headboard, your little painting, and your dresser. Just to note though, guys, this furniture does not come with the unit. This is just to show you how the unit looks with furniture. Now moving on to the bathroom. So in this bathroom, it comes with a very modern shower with the rain faucet, the shebang, the whole shebang. Nice.
$400.
Alright. So just before we go into the other room, we do have a little storage area right here. As I said, storage is everything.
And even at the top. Okay. Not sure.
So now we're going to the bathroom that is accessible to the entire house. So if you have guests over, you don't want them to go to your bedroom, then you can just let them use this bathroom.
And oh, remember it's a cupboard as well. The mirror is a cupboard as well.
Cupboard?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah, you can see.
Nice. Then it's a cabinet. Nice.
Alright. It's quite interesting.
That's good. So now we're entering the master bedroom, which I think should have the bathroom, but anywho, let's get into this. So entering this room, we have your little nightstand right there and your queen size, king size bed. Again, this room can hold whatever size bed you want to put in there, your little dresser, and this also comes with a built-in closet. I like the little drapes and blinds, you know. I love the carpet on the floor, the little wall paintings. As I said before, it comes with storage with shelves on the inside and the built-in closet with sliding doors.
And at this time, there's two large windows. Curtain and blind. I think we like that idea.
The blinds and the curtains.
Mm-hmm. Solid.
So good to look for them every time you buy your house.
Solid. A nice decorated bedside table. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, and this where they come some art gallery. Another gallery. So
Not bad at all.
Furniture. Here.
With the marble top, and you have a grey cupboard down by the bottom with a little stool. Right here we have a furnace stove, which doesn't come with the unit. And we have a lot of cupboards up here. Microwave cupboard, the marble countertop, a lot of storage down here. Marble top cupboards also up here. And your fridge look at us. You can put whatever you want to put on here. So yeah. Not bad at all. Alright. Welcome. So here we have the washing machine, you know. The washer, you can roll a washer and a dryer and washing tub.
Washer, dryer, tub, at the window.
You can put anything in your house. It's that if you're using it, so there's no washroom. At least there's one for your room. I don't think you can touch video.
And then there's a backyard space. Hmm? You sure? You sure?
So this, we don't even know which unit is this right now. So I'm gonna find out that
Oh,
and then
really?
I'm gonna list it down below. So this unit goes for it's a 2-bed, 2-bath unit, living room, kitchen, washroom. It goes for $19 million. So if you're looking for a 19 million house, you can come out here. It has good space for you and your family. It also has a big back, and I'm supposing that if you can,
Ocean view.
it well, we have an ocean view also.
Okay. All right.
So I think that's about it.
Yes. So that's it.
Some people look there, so you have a water heater over there. They still have more units building. So you know, we depend on standstill now. So if you don't want a house, you can just make a call. But the Ocean Pointe scheme comes with different amenities. So it's a gated community with security, of course. It comes with a gym, a pool, football field, tennis court, children's play area, park. People don't miss out on the opportunity. Come down here, check out the features right now. And they also have units over there. They have units over there. Like smart liquor, sorry. 10%.
Okay.
Nice place. What I do? Let's see. Perfect.
What's that? The community center? Can yeah, that's the community center with the pool and gym. Pool, gym.
Football field. That's like football field. The children play area probably over that side.
Mm-hmm.
So we can go there.
I'm not sure. Office security. Very decorative. Quite decorative. All right. So as you can see, it's a small swim at your own risk. Mm-hmm.
Lucky people. So we do have a pool here over here. We have to relax your body. How about that? Just then, I can stop here. Not bad at all. I like it. Over there, the lunch area. Let's take a show.
Football?
And then I have over here. Not bad at all.
That's it. Hmm? Cute. Keep doing what you're doing. You'll never know.
Alright people, so this is the Ocean Pointe housing scheme. It's before you get to Lucy or the Grand Palladium, or it's after you pass Grand Palladium going to Hopewell. So you can just check it out. I think that's about the tour. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share the videos, like the videos. Alrighty, thanks for watching.